Gather around this way, guys.
Sorry. This way, you can.
This is a scenic walk.
I'm standing in some mud, but that's okay.
Hey, so we like to stop before we get to the end to just blab for a minute
The end of it?
remind you guys what this is really all about. You know, last year we started off with the concept of knowing that we needed to start doing something, and in fact, we talked about the idea of releasing a song to raise money, and actually we were kind of embarrassed by it because we thought, well, you know, we're just going to be another band doing another thing. You know, everybody's released charity songs before, people have done that. But ultimately we said, you know what, it doesn't matter what anybody else thinks, it doesn't matter if there's a cynic out there, our music is the best thing we have to use, the best tool we have to make a difference. And that's what we're talking about today. What we have is the tools that we have available to us, the things that we do every day, not the things that we do on the side, or the things that we like to do like one day when we're successful and we have time to make a difference. The things that you do in your daily life, the job you have, the life you lead, the skills you have, the talents you have, the ability to act. You know what? Nobody is standing around here. I don't care who's watching. What matters is the people that are walking. You guys, one of you could be responsible for making a massive difference, or each of you could be responsible for making a massive difference. And it all starts with just deciding to be a part of doing something with your own ability to take action. If you look at Africa, you know, here it's across, you know, the ocean far away from us. It feels like, well, that's not really our problem. And, you know, didn't Madonna buy a baby or something? Isn't that taken care of? And you know what? There's a cynicism in all of us that says, you know what difference am I going to make? Let me tell you something. This notion that, you know, a few people with a bunch of money are going to save the world is not going to happen. This is, really changing the world, really making a difference in facing the issues of AIDS, which, you know, honestly is not getting any better, it's getting worse. You've got to imagine the population of New York City is all children that don't have parents because they've died of AIDS. Just imagine what that's like. That's not an idea, that's a reality. And we have the ability to start simply by saying, you know what? We've got shoes. We've got enough, a 99-cent download that we can give you guys and say, we'll raise money with 99 cents at a time and raise money for HIV and AIDS treatment. We have the opportunity to make a difference by deciding to be a part of the solution and by showing up. This is not about what other people think of you. This is about showing up. This is about taking the walk, and this is about deciding to maybe take your shoes off and not making everybody feel bad, but there's a few of you that still have shoes on. It's okay. But it is cold. It is cold. This isn't about guilt either. Yeah. Once your feet are numb, you can't feel anything anyway, guys. So I say go with it. Exactly. You know, this isn't about guilt either. This isn't about looking at your friends and trying to give them a guilt trip about how, you know, kids in Africa with pictures of flies on their face and, you know, a bad picture of how sad it is. What I'm saying is that we don't have to be cynics. We have the ability to make a difference by just deciding to make a difference today. What also happens is if you guys start to look away from yourself and look at something that is so far away that you're not required to make a difference with, I guarantee you're going to see stuff in your own hometown, in your backyard, that you thought was a challenge before, and you realize it's something that's actually not that challenging. So today when you guys walk, this is like a jump start. This is not, we have the best idea and the shoe is going to change the world. But let me tell you something. Last year, we started off with Tom's to help to reach the goal of selling 50,000 pairs of shoes. We walked 48 miles before that tour was done. Thousands of you guys showed up with us. And we went and delivered 50,000 pairs of shoes, one at a time. And I can tell you, every one of those shoes matters. I can tell you, sitting with, you know, I have a 5-year-old boy, I have 3 kids, and my 5-year-old, I was sitting with kids that were like my son. And sitting here, and these kids walk 10 kilometers a day, both ways, just to go to school. There's not a pair of shoes, and the shoes is the least of their problems. So today, you guys are part of making a difference just because you showed up, okay? It doesn't matter what anybody else says. Today, you guys took the walk, and you can tell anybody else they can shove it up their ass. Sorry, that probably didn't work for network TV. So I want you guys to say with me, say, I took the walk!
I took the walk!
Say I took the walk!
I took the walk!
You guys want to finish this mile already?
Yeah!